It's Morah Michal. I'm here today to do a very fun and exciting science project. Today we are making the best slime recipe. I'm going to go over all the ingredients you need to make the best slime. First ingredients, we need 2/3 cup of white Elmer's glue. So I have my Elmer's glue here. I'm going to use a glass measuring cup. I'm going to find my 2/3 right over here and fill it up to this spot. You want to make sure that you really get the correct measurements so your slime will come out great. Okay, I have 2/3 Elmer's glue. I'm going to then take a plastic spoon and I'm going to put it into a plastic bowl. You can use a plastic container as well, but I do suggest a big plastic bowl. Next ingredient is going to be 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Here is my teaspoon. I'm going to now put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Again, always make sure your measurements are precise. Here is my 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Put that right in. The next ingredient is 1/4 cup of water. I will be right back to get my 1/4 cup of water. I'm back with my 1/4 cup of water. Pour that right in. The next ingredient is a lot of fun. You can use 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. I'm going to use just 2 cups right now, and let's see how that turns out because you can always add a little bit more. So here is my cup, 1 cup, and I'm going to fill these up, each one to the top with shaving cream. Here is my first cup, and here will be my second cup. Again, if you feel after mixing it up the consistency is not exactly what you like in your slime, you can always add. After your 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream, you use 1 to 5 tablespoons of contact lead solution. I am going to use only 3 tablespoons so far. Now, when you get your contact solution, you have to make sure it has boric acid in it because that's the ingredient that really gets it to the consistency that you need. Here is my tablespoon measuring, and I'm going to put in, to start with, 3. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And obviously, when you do this experiment, please use gloves because the last ingredient that goes with it is food coloring. First thing you want to do is you want to start mixing first your ingredients. All the ingredients that we used. The Elmer's glue, baking soda, the water, the shaving cream, and the contact solution before adding the food coloring. Now you can already see that it is becoming somewhat of a goopy consistency, which is what you want. Just keep on mixing. Once that you find all the ingredients coming together, you want to really get in all that glue and really mix it together. You then want to take your hands and start mixing all this together. All the ingredients that's on the edge of the bowl. And get that slimy consistency. Then, whichever color you prefer, take your food coloring and put in quite a few dollops or dots of food coloring and start mixing. Really get all the food coloring mixed in. If you want to add more, you certainly could add more. If you want to add a different color, you certainly could mix colors. I'm going to add a little red. I obviously added blue before. I'm going to mix that up. And really get it to that slime consistency.